currently I have my alignment set to longest edge, which allows me to use the longest edge given to us by the mirror modifier. So whenever I draw a shape, it's just automatically aligned straight. Otherwise, it would go wayward using the nearest edge. So we want to change our mode from cut to make, but before that, notice that whenever I perform a cut with join, or perform a cut with cut, obviously I can't perform a cut with join, I can only perform a join with join, but if I perform a cut using cut, that the cut is placed in the cutters collection. If I switch over to make, notice that the shape is now also being created in the same collection as the shape that it originated in. So basically the root collection, if we press period on the numpad, we can actually focus on the piece that's selected. So we'll select this, and we're now focusing on that piece as a child of the piece that we're cutting on. So basically we're no longer adding this to the root collection of the whole scene. Previously in Boxcutter, if you were to press M, we could place it into the scene collection, and pretty much every make object would be placed here, and it was just something that just drove me crazy. So while it is small, it does mean something to me. Now objects that we add are placed into the root collection of the object that we are basically basing it off of.